People use a lot of ginger without knowing what it does to their health. Ginger is used by people all over the world, but what does this plant really do to our health? That's what we're going to tell you in today's video. Ginger is a root that contains several medicinal properties, and many of its properties are backed by scientific studies. Its use is spread around the world for its health benefits attributed to it, but many people still don't know what this cheap and easy-to-find plant can do with your life. We usually see it on the market, we don't know that it's a low price, we could have a great ally for our health. Today we want to share 7 important benefits of ginger for our body, and in the end we will show you a very simple way to consume it, and it is a very powerful and medicinal tea. So let's go. Number 1, improves blood circulation. Ginger contains magnesium and zinc, essential to improve blood circulation. Ginger has properties that lower blood lipids, helping to lower bad cholesterol and prevent cardiovascular disease, but on the other hand it is also useful to reduce fever and other excessive sweating problems. Number 2, helps prevent colds and flu. Ginger has antiviral properties and can act against cold and flu symptoms. This root has been used for centuries in Asia to relieve colds and flu and coughs with its powerful anti-inflammatory effect. Number 3, favors the absorption of nutrients. If we have appetite problems, we can chew a little ginger before meals to stimulate hunger, and when we consume this root we guarantee a better absorption of essential nutrients from the body, and it stimulates the secretion of the stomach and pancreatic enzymes. Number 4, it facilitates digestion. In addition to improving the absorption of nutrients in the body, ginger also helps to relieve abdominal pain and usually occurs when there is inflammation in the stomach, in addition to preventing and fighting constipation by reducing intestinal gas and promoting better digestion. Number 5, be anti-cancer. Several studies, including studies on its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, have found that this root may have anti-cancer substances capable of slowing down the growth of cancer cells in the colon and prostate. And don't forget guys to share this video, because you can help other people with this information. Okay guys, let's go to number 6. Relieve joint pain. We already mentioned that this ingredient also has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to reduce joint pain and inflammation as well as other common ailments. Number 7, strengthens the immune system. Regular consumption of this plant, it helps to strengthen the immune system and keep the body's defenses strong before possible infections such as colds or chronic diseases, and it is also believed that it can reduce the risk of suffering a stroke. And how to take advantage of the benefits of ginger. There are many ways to consume this root to obtain its benefits, but today we are going to show you a very simple and very cheap way to consume it is tea with ginger and lemon ingredients. And let's go to the ingredients. A little ginger root with lemon, a glass of water, a spoonful of honey. And how to prepare it. Take a glass of water in a pan until it boils, and the ginger in small pieces. Add the ginger to the water in the pan that you left to heat and let it boil for a few minutes. Then turn off the heat and let it rest for a few more minutes, then strain it immediately. We will introduce a lemon juice and a teaspoon of honey, and we will mix everything very well. We recommend consuming this remedy in the morning after waking up. Ginger and lemon tea will also bring other benefits to your health, in addition to those already mentioned in this video. Remember that this video is for informational purposes, so if you have any concerns about taking a home remedy, consult your doctor. Although this plant helps to treat these diseases, it may not be suitable for some people. Okay? And then, did you like today's tips? If so, comment what you think and leave a heart emoji in the comments. Guys, this information is very important, so don't keep it just for yourself. Okay, so tag your friends in the comments. If you like this video already, leave your like below, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. We will share it with everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Stay with God and see you next time.